You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Take a ride in the 2019 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: clock, MP3 player, brake assist, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
There are plenty of reasons the Audi Certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts their certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support.